Hi, friends. As you know, today is Friday, and Tour de Force brings one shlok from Gita because today is Gita in Action series. And here, what we do is we take one shlok, share the wisdom, and then find out how we can use it and apply it in our day to day context. But before we start the entire sequence, let me first introduce the two lovely ladies who are with me. We have Anna Goel, who is the media marketing solutionist for Tour de Force. Anna, hi.
Hi.
And of course, my lovely mom from Kolkata, Sudha Khandelwal, joining us. Hi, mom.
Hi, Shilpi.
Fantastic. So the sequence is like this. I will be sharing the shlok, and today's shlok is from chapter 3, verse 9. And then mom will translate it in Hindi, Anna will translate it in English, and I will then put it in the day to day context and how we can apply the shlok, but not before these two ladies, one's generation elder to me and one generation younger to me, will also share their perspective as to how they see the shlok and would apply the wisdom of which. So let's get started, team. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनम् तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गसमाचर. So mom, can you please translate the shlok in Hindi?
यस शिल्पी। यज्ञ के लिए किए जाने वाले कर्मों से अतिरिक्त कर्मों में लगा हुआ ही ये मनुष्य समुदाय कर्मों से बंधता है। इसलिए हे अर्जुन, तू आसक्ति रहित होकर उस यज्ञ के लिए ही भली भांति कर्तव्य कर्म कर। नाउ एना ट्रांसलेट इट इन इंग्लिश।
Thank you. Work must be done as a sacrifice to the Supreme Lord. Otherwise, work causes bondage in this material world. Therefore, O son of Kunti, perform your prescribed duties without being attached to the result for the satisfaction of God. Ma'am, you could please explain this?
Fantastic, Anna. You see, long time back, somebody asked me, why do you have to be a mother only? Why can't you be a Mother Teresa? And it jolted me because I was thrown out of my comfort zone. Our comfort is always with what is ours: my family, my kids, my husband, my team, and so on and so forth. But what happens in this mind is this kind of a cage that we get into, and then we get into what is good, how the outcome is going to be, and the results of which, and it's a continuous loop. The request from Krishna to the son of Kante is, get up, rise, because you have to work and do duties not for yourself, but for the larger good, the larger purpose, for the community. When mankind is served, we also get served indirectly. And this is where Krishna is saying that, look, serve with grace, with dignity, and you will be free. Similarly, I request each one of you to think how you can break your shackles and serve people with grace and dignity, and actually, the freedom lies there. So fantastic. It's my mother's turn to share her views on this. Mom?
यस शिल्पी। इस श्लोक में भगवान अर्जुन को साथ साथ हमें भी ये समझाते हैं कि हमें कर्म किस तरह से करना चाहिए। जो भी कर्म ह्यूमैनिटी और ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के लिए अपने स्वार्थ रहित होकर और उनकी भलाई, उनके सुख और उनके बेनिफिट के लिए किया जाता है, वो सारे कर्म यज्ञ की श्रेणी में आते हैं। यहाँ यज्ञ का मतलब हवन से नहीं है। इस तरह के कर्म यज्ञ कहलाते हैं। इसीलिए कहा जाता है, आशा न करे और से आप करे उपकार। इसके अतिरिक्त जो भी कर्म हैं, जो अपने और अपने वालों के लिए किया जाता है, वो सारे कर्म अतिरिक्त कर्म में आते हैं जो हमें बंधन में डालते हैं। इसलिए एक कोटेशन है कि कर्म हमें बंधन में डालते हैं ना, अतिरिक्त कर्म। तो एक कोटेशन है, जगत हित किया जाए वो कर्म, निज लालच सुख के लिए किया जाए वो है बंद अधर्म। अब निर्णय अपने आप को करना है कि हमें कौन से कर्म करने हैं और कौन से नहीं करने हैं। जो कर्म हमें बंधन में डालते हैं वैसे करने हैं, या जो हमें दूसरे यज्ञ के जो कर्म है, यज्ञ के लिए जो गीता में कहा गया है वैसे कर्म करने। यस शिल्पी।
So beautifully said that Bandhan is the is an absolutely claustrophobic place, right? You don't feel good over there. You don't want to be caged. So if you really, really value your freedom, think about the larger good, think about the community, and decide which action you would like to take, because that becomes your nirdharit karam too, right? And I would request now Anna to share some wisdom of hers on the shlok. Anna?
Thank you. So what I think is that the work we do for our own satisfaction, it helps us create a bondage with the material world. But we don't want that because that is very selfish. We want to be selfless. So we want to do something which will help us sacrifice all our desires towards Maya and help us attain divine peace and divine grace. I'd like to give an example. So we have done a bad deed, but we think of the karma, we might have a bad karma. So we do something good to cover that up. But again, our results are attached to our desires that we want to do something good because we don't want a bad karma. Again, that is not right. So we need to be very selfless and try to extinguish our desires. I know it's very tough, but if we try it, if we think of the higher purpose, it will really help us out.
Fantastic. It is, life is not about math. You do something minus and then you cover it up with a plus. It's all about being selfless, all about giving, because that's where the true freedom and grace lies. Fantastic, team. It was just wonderful having you here with me. And I would request all the viewers, new and old, to share their comments below in the section. Please like and subscribe our channel, because we can always be there whenever the new videos we share will come up to you, right? And with this, I request each and every one to be interactive, share your wisdom so that we can learn too from you. Thank you so much, team. Let's see each other next Friday. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.